Portable grills, a handy guide for cooking on the go. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the world of portable grills. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a tailgate party lover, or just enjoy outdoor picnics, understanding what a portable grill is and how it can enhance your outdoor cooking experience is essential. So, let's dive into the exciting world of portable grills. A portable grill is a compact, transportable cooking device designed for outdoor use. Unlike traditional grills, portable grills are smaller, lightweight, and designed for easy transport, making them ideal for various outdoor activities like camping, picnics, and tailgating. They can use different types of fuel, such as charcoal, propane, or electricity. Their size and portability make them a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Charcoal portable grills. Charcoal grills use charcoal briquettes or lump charcoal as fuel. They are known for imparting a smoky flavor to the food. Propane portable grills. Propane grills use propane gas for cooking. They offer quick heating and easy temperature control. Electric portable grills. Electric grills require an electrical outlet, ideal for places where open flames are restricted. Convenience. Easy to transport and set up. Space-saving. Small footprint. Perfect for limited spaces. Versatility. Suitable for various outdoor activities. Flavor. Especially with charcoal grills, food gets a unique smoky taste. When selecting a portable grill, consider the following. Fuel type. Decide based on availability and personal preference. Size and portability. Consider the grill's size and how easy it is to carry. Cooking space. Ensure it fits your cooking needs. Budget. Options are available across various price ranges. Regular cleaning prevents buildup and extends the grill's life. Proper storage. Store in a dry place to avoid rust. Safety measures. Always use in an open, ventilated area. We hope this guide has enlightened you about portable grills and how they can make your outdoor cooking adventures more enjoyable. Whether you're grilling in your backyard or in the great outdoors, a portable grill is a handy tool to have. Happy grilling, and see you in our next video.